Hello everyone, welcome to Harshi Eclass. I am Rani. Today we will study about patterns in whole numbers, which is given in class 6 mathematics chapter 2 whole numbers. Patterns in whole numbers. What is a pattern? Pattern is a sequence of numbers or pictures. We can arrange numbers in elementary shapes consisting of dots. The elementary shapes which we take here are a line, rectangle, square and a triangle. We are going to arrange every number in one of these shapes. First one, every number can be represented as a line. Except 0 and 1, every number can be represented as a line. The number 2 is shown as here 2, 1, 2. Two dots are there. We can connect it. So it is a line. Now the number 3 is shown as 1, 2, 3. Three dots are there. Connect these dots so that it will form a line. 4, 4 dots. Connect it. 5. I'm putting 5 dots, then connect each dot so that it will form a line. In this way, every number, every whole number starts from 0 and they are infinite. Every whole number can be arranged as a line. Second point, some numbers can be shown also as rectangles. Those numbers are called rectangular numbers. Examples of rectangular numbers are 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Here, except prime numbers, remaining numbers can form the rectangles. Here, first one, 6. How to represent 6 in rectangle form? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots are there. These 6 dots are arranged in rectangle form. There are 2 rows. There are 2 rows. 1, 2 and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Here these are the rows. And these lines are columns. 6 can be represented as a rectangle. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. Next one, number 8. 8 can also be represented as a rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Here opposite sides are equal. Both the rows. There are 2 rows in rectangle and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 rows and 4 columns are there. In number 8. Next number 10. Number 10 can also be arranged in rectangle form. It has 2 rows and 5 columns. It has 2 rows and 5 columns. Opposite sides are equal here. How many rows? 2 rows and 5 columns. Next example 12. Number 12. Number of columns in number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 4, 5, 6. Total 6 columns are there. And the number of rows? 2 rows. 2 rows. 2 rows and 6 columns. We can arrange this 12 in other form also. That is, here number of rows are 3 Number of rows are 3. Total 12 dots are there. They are arranged in different order. And the number of columns are 4. Number of columns are 4. 3 fours are 12. 12 can be arranged in both the forms like this. Some numbers can be arranged in both the forms. Here 3 rows and 4 columns. In this way we can arrange the numbers in rectangle form. Third point, some numbers can be arranged as squares also. For example, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. 4. How to arrange 4 in square form? 4 dots are there. Arrange the dots with equal distance because square has all the sides are equal. Next 9. 9. 3 dots in one row, 3 dots in another row, 3 dots, 3 rows and 3 columns. Total there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Next 16. 4 rows and 4 columns. 16 is arranged in 4 rows and 4 columns. The numbers which can be arranged in square form, those are called square numbers. 2 square, 2 twos are 4, 3 square, 3 threes are 9, 4 square, 4 fours are 16, 5 square, 5 fives are 25, 6 square, 6 six are 36, 7 square, 7 sevens are 49. We can arrange these numbers in square form. There are many whole numbers which we can arrange in square form. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 are some of the examples of square numbers. Fourth point, some numbers like 3, 6, 10, 15, etc. can be arranged as triangles. 3. Number 3 can be arranged in triangular forms. 3 dots are there. 1, 2, 3. The triangle should have its two sides are equal. This triangle is formed by 3 numbers. Now, we can increase the number at the bottom. For example, here 3 dots are there in the first triangle. I am going to add plus 3 to the given triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots. We can arrange these 6 dots also in the form of triangle. It is number 6. Next, previously added 3 number. Now I am going to add number 4. Add 4 to 6. Then it will be 10. Number 10 can also be arranged in the form of triangle. Now add 5. Add 5 to 10. It will be 15. Number 15 can also be arranged as a triangle. In this way we can find the triangular numbers. How to find the pattern here we are following is the first triangular number is 3. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. These all can form the triangles. Next, complete the given table which is given in NCERT textbook page number 42. The given numbers are from 2 to 13. In that, up to 5 already solved in the textbook. Next numbers 6. We know that every number can be arranged in the form of a line. So yes, for all these numbers in the line column. After that, coming to rectangle, even numbers 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, all these even numbers can be arranged in the form of rectangle like 2 rows, and the number of columns will increase. For example, 6, 2 rows and 3 columns, 8, 2 rows and 4 columns, 10, 2 rows and 5 columns, 12 we can arrange in 2 forms. We already saw in the third slide. Next, square numbers 4, 9, 3 threes are 9. Remaining numbers are not going to be arranged in the form of square. Next number which can be arranged in square is that 16. 4 fours are 16. Triangle 3. The pattern for finding the triangular number is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Next 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. In this way we can find the triangular numbers. After 6, 10 can form the triangle. Next, try these questions given in the textbook. In that first one, which numbers can be shown only as a line? Here the question is, we can arrange all the numbers, all the whole numbers in the form of a line except 0 and 1. But the numbers which can be shown only as a line, only as a line. The numbers which can be shown only as a line are 2, 7, 11, 13, etc. These numbers we can arrange in the form of line only. There are no other forms. For example, 2 we can arrange in only the line form. We can't arrange it in the rectangle, triangle or square form. 7 also we can arrange in the form of a line only, but not in square, triangle, rectangle. 11, 13 also same thing. There are many numbers which we can arrange only as a line. Second question, which can be shown as squares? 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, etc. can be shown as squares. Which can be shown as rectangles? 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, even 15. 15 can also be arranged in rectangle form. Except the prime numbers, almost all the numbers can be arranged in the form of rectangle. Try these. In that question number 4, write down the first 7 numbers that can be arranged as triangles. Example 3, 6. After 3, 6, here this is a pattern. We are going to add plus 3. For finding it, every time we are going to add numbers in an order. Then plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9. If we add plus 9, 36 plus 9 is equals to 45. In this way, we can find the number of triangular numbers. Some numbers can be shown by 2 rectangles. Give at least 5 other such examples. One example already given in the textbook, that is 12. 12 can be arranged in the form of 3 rows and 4 columns, or 12 can be arranged in the form of 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 fours are 12. There are 3 rows and 4 columns. Whereas another form for this is that it can be arranged in the form of 2 rows and 6 columns. 2 rows, number of rows are 2 and the number of columns are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can be arranged in the form of 3 rows and 4 columns or 2 rows and 6 columns. Like this, there are many examples which can be arranged in 2 rectangles. Next example is that 8. Next example 8. 8 can be arranged in 2 forms. One is that 2 rows and 4 columns. 2 rows and 4 columns. Here the columns are 1, 2, 3, 4 and the rows are 1, 2. Another form of arranging in rectangle, that is we can arrange it as 4 rows and 2 columns. Here it is 4 rows and 2 columns. Like this we can arrange 24, 34. We can arrange in 2 rectangular forms. Patterns observation. Observation of patterns can guide us in simplifying processes. They help us in mathematical operations. For example, adding 999, 999, addition, subtraction or multiplication with 999 and 999. How can we use with the help of the patterns? Let's see. One example here, 187 plus 9. We can add it directly also. Another simple way which we can do verbally, that is, instead of adding 9, we will add 10, then subtract 1 from it. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9 only. So we will add 10 first, then subtract 1. 187 plus 10, 197. Minus 1, that is 196. B1. 187 minus 9. For this, we will subtract 10. We will subtract 10 so that we will get 177. After that, add 1. That is 178. Next, adding 99 to 187. 99 we can write it as 100 minus 1. So first we will add 100, then minus 1. So it should be 286. Next, subtracting 99. For subtracting 99, we will subtract 100 first, then add 1 to that difference. 187 minus 100, that is 87, plus 1 is equals to 88. In this way, we can subtract and add 999 to the number. Here is one more pattern. How to do multiplication with 999, 999. Let's see that. 9 we can write it as 10 minus 1. After that, multiply. First multiply 84 with 10. Then 84 ones are. That is 840 minus 84. Do the subtraction. 840 minus 84 is equals to 756. Next, multiplication with 99. 99 we can write it as 100 minus 1. 84 hundreds are 8400 minus 84, that is 8316. Next, 84 multiply by 999. Here we are going to write this 999 as 1000 minus 1. So multiply 84 with 1000, then 1, do the subtraction. We will get 83,916 as the product of 84 and 999. The following pattern suggests a way of multiplying a number by 5 or 25 or 125. We can write 5 as 10 upon 2. 10 upon 2, that is 5. 25. 1/4 of 100 is 25. So we can write it as 100 upon 4. 125. 125 eights are 1000. 1000 upon 8. 96 multiplied by 5, we can write it as 10 upon 2. So 96 tens are 960 by 2. We will get 480. 2 ones are, 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16, 0. 96 multiply by 25. We can write 25 as 100 upon 4. 96 multiply 100 is equals to 9600. 4 ones are, 4 twos are 8, 4 fours are 16 and 2 zeros, that is 2400. 96 multiply by 125, that is equals to 96,000 upon 8. 8 ones are, 8 twos are 16, 3 zeros, it is 12,000. So this is about patterns in whole numbers. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.